Hey everybody, Chad here. Today is Saturday, September, I'm going to call it the 8th, I think. Tomorrow's Sunday, Monday's Labor Day. I forget what day Labor Day is off the top of my head, so do some reverse math. And if you have that common sense knowledge that I don't, you can deduce what date it is. But it's getting close to 7 o'clock at night or so, and I'm finally over here at Beanbag. Big Bertha's behind me. Just measured Big Bertha for funsies on a Saturday. Big Bertha sped up this past 2 weeks, or this past week. That's awesome. So there's definitely a chance Big Bertha can catch Miss Juana, who is right over there. So we'll see. Anyway, I wanted to show you guys the situation that we have brewing here with Beanbag. Beanbag is old man noises. Beanbag is, let me flip you around, is about I don't even know. I can't even, I'm gonna guess 1,000 pounds. It could be a heck of a lot less, and I highly doubt it's more, because it's such a weird shape. It's nearly impossible to get like a good circumference on it. I mean, technically the circumference would kind of be like that away because of how it's oriented, and I don't know. I don't know. It is what it is. But I wanted to show you the stem situation. I think I can turn on the flash. There we go. I could turn on the flash. It just can't be in wide lens mode. So, so let me take you. I whacked a bunch of the leaves away, moved the fan, because I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. So, here is our disaster. So, main vine coming up, and then here's the stem. You can see where this is going in, and this is where it broke off coming out. So that is a bit of a pain in the rumpus. I mean, I don't even know, if I'm being honest with you, I don't even know if the front half, I don't even know if the front half, like if we look at this front half and we follow it, it looks like it's still connected. I'm kind of looking at this through the camera, so I'm not laying my head in the dirt. But the back half still seems to be, attached pretty okay. I have the fan on it. It seems to be healing okay. That brown spot is not like an ucky. It's not yucky. It's just kind of oozing a little bit. So what I do just about every day or so is I take some rubbing alcohol, I spritz it in there. Then I have some Daconol, spray it in there too. That keeps it dry, kills any cooties. And yeah, I mean, the only thing I really can do is maybe cut some of this board away, but I don't want to cut the soaker lines that's underneath it. And at this juncture, it may be like, I don't know, it may be happy where it's at. And when I say happy, I don't think, it's not ideal. Let's see if I could turn off. Oh gosh, there we go. And when I say happy, I don't mean that it's ideal in any way, shape, or form. Put my Leatherman back. I mean, it's just probably good enough. My concern is that if I really cut anything away and if I hack at it and slice and dice, that I might do more harm than good. I might relieve some tension that, if you've ever had a scab and you if you have a scab on your hand and you flex, you break the scab. I might do that, is my concern. If you have an opinion on that, comment below. I'd be interested to hear other people's thoughts. Otherwise, I think I'll probably just keep doing what I'm doing, and that's have the box fan blowing air down there during the day. I do shut it off at night because it's getting chilly at night, and I've been covering them up with blankets. I just stole Beanbag's blanket and I gave Bertha two because Bertha is rocking and rolling, and I have no idea. I have no real good way to measure this pumpkin in any way that's accurate or meaningful. So I have another blanket. I'll go toss it on her. But quick update on Beanbag. I was just doing some spraying for those spider mites that I'm trying to keep under control. I mean, really trying to keep under control now that I realize that Bertha may be doing a whole lot better than what I thought. And on that topic, since it's light outside, if you guys watched the last video, which you should, if you didn't, subscribe, go watch it. You know, we were talking about the old plant versus new plant. And I mean, this is a great example. You could see like a Christmas tree pattern of the oldest leaves going up to the pumpkin, exacerbated by the spider mites. But you could still see old leaves, you know, not contributing to the goal of giant pumpkin. And then the back half of this pumpkin, though, the back half of the plant rather, is like beautiful. Look at that. Knock on wood, no powdery mildew. You know, just some weeds back there and some out of control vine growing. I mean, I'm going up to the second level of the greenhouse now. So yeah, hopefully this is what is going to continue to push Big Bertha for the next 40 days or so until I take a 2 away off, because it's the last one and it has the most time. So if it keeps on trucking, you know, that could be awesome, because Big Bertha's pretty big. What she is, I don't know, over 1,000 pounds for sure. Other than that, I gotta tell you, you'll find out at the last weigh off. Hopefully everybody's doing well. Take care of them pumpkins, keep them growing, and we'll see you soon. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Tell your Uncle Ted to watch the videos. See ya.